Hi, hope you're all doing good. Today we're going to discuss about vitamin supplementation for your dogs and puppies. So people might be wondering whether should I give vitamin supplements to my dog, whether it is safe, or should I discuss with the vet or something like that. So yeah, today we'll discuss these things in brief. So first thing is it really necessary? Vitamin supplementation is really necessary. So if you're feeding your dog well balanced and a processed dog food which already have the balanced and all the nutrients in it, then there is no need for giving any extra supplementation. So in other case, if you're feeding your dog with the home food, that means if you're not balancing it well with all the veggies or fruits or whatever meat you are not giving in a regular basis, then you should have to give some vitamin supplementation, but that too you have to consult with a veterinarian before giving it. So the second thing is there any danger in giving any extra supplementation? So the answer to this question is possibly yes, because if your dog is already eating some balanced diet which has all the ingredients, if you're giving something in extra, so that is like too much of anything is dangerous. So if you're feeding something in extra, that some minerals and vitamins will have some side effects in excess, that is like calcium and vitamin D, so you should not overfeed them. So that is why we advise you to take a proper consultation before giving any supplement. So the third thing is, what sort of supplementation can give, when can I give, should I ask a veterinarian? So absolutely yes, you should consult a veterinarian before going for supplementation, because you cannot just like that go for some coat supplementation if you think your dog is shedding more and the coat is poor, because a poor coat is an indication of a disease in itself. It might have some kind of dermatitis or skin disease or some hormonal imbalance and metabolic disorder, something like that, and some kind of, if your some arthritis cases might have some underlying disease. So you should not like forego the actual treatment which we always give. We should go step by step, and after diagnosing only you should consult with the veterinarian, and then you have to go for supplementation. Because if you go for the supplementation, like it may sound like it may sound fancy to give some supplementation. The pharmacist will try to sell the supplementation for you, but it is not actually good to get the supplementation for all the dogs. So the take home message from this video is like, if you're the first thing I would recommend is you have to feed your dog with well balanced diet. That is, if you're going for the home food, you have to give some variety of fruits, vegetables, and meat has to be in a regular basis. And the second thing is, don't buy anything from the pharmacist without a doctor's advice. You just consult and then go for the supplementation. And the third thing is, if you're giving, if your dog is already undergoing any treatment, and if you're going for some herbal supplementation, that might react with the treatment. So don't just go with anything reading online or something. Just take a proper care, give some good food. Don't just give any unnecessary supplementation. Happy pet parenting. Thank you.